Today we're going to make a Thanksgiving dinner, the American traditional. This is a 15 pound of turkey. We bought it from the grocery. We defrost for 1 day and then marinate for 1 day. To marinate, you use 1 tablespoon of salt. Or marinate, so I'm not going to add here. 1 tablespoon of salt. Black pepper, 1 tablespoon black pepper. Add here 1 tablespoon of ground sage. So they're all add here, and then 2 head of garlic inside it. And then this piece of ginger, but the ginger you have to cut small like this size. So just put them together, do it with a glove, so just do a massage, let the turkey make it comfortable. These are all the great ingredients we made. Put in the bag, to put the whole turkey in the bag, tie it, and then put in the oven for 375 degrees. For this size, 15 pounds, it takes 2.5 hours to cook fully. But at 2 hours, you open up, you cut off this bag, and then to the rest of half an hour, cook it without the bag. After that, we'll show you the final product. It should be delicious. It takes 2.5 hours to make the turkey ready. The turkey is delicious. We've been doing this for more than 20 years. We learned from one of my students from Marriott Hotel. This is very juicy, tasty, the best, hotel style. And in addition to the turkey, which is the main course, we have made sweet potato, baked together with cookies, with turkey, so it's very good. Green beans, and that's the cranberry sauce. This is pumpkin pie, corn, homemade, fresh, just came out the oven. Cookies. This is the Oreo cookie, chocolate chip cookie. Finally, the dinner roll. So we're all ready to eat. Where are the kids? All right, happy Thanksgiving to everybody, from my family to yours. Enjoy your holidays.